What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, the Vossen launch is now live. As of right now, go down in the description box below. First link down below will take you over to the website. Now, this is every single thing that we are launching today. Here are all the different sweaters we have available on the site. Full snud hoodies, the all black Vossen embroidered hoodies with the dark gray logo. This is one of the half wrapped hoodies with the red embroidered logo. Same half wrap hoodie with the white embroidered logo. And then we also have a zip up with a black embroidered logo. And on the back of the zip up hoodie, we have the printed Vossen logo that is 100% matched to the Evo 10. I know how much you guys loved the half wrap hoodies last launch, so we decided to go a little extra this time, do two different options for the pullover and then add a zip up as well. We did go a little bit crazy on sizing, so we have extra small through 4XL, and the sizing chart is available on every single product page. Here are all of the different t-shirts that we have. These four right here are more of like a casual fit, still a very nice snuggish fit, I would say. And then this one right here is the performance tee. So this one would be more for like if you're into working out, you'd wear that in the gym, working on cars, that kind of stuff, when you're gonna get a little hot and sweaty. This is definitely a bit tighter of a fit and feel versus these four. I almost forgot, guys, we are bringing back the OG shirt. This is the second shirt that we ever launched on the site. Just a clean printed text on the front, and then on the back we have the printed Vossen logo. We did also end up going with some new Evo 8 air fresheners. We've never done Evo 8 fresheners before. A restock of the FRS air fresheners. We have the new jet tags that match the Evo 10. Black camo on one side, the snow camo on the other. We have a red, a white, a black hat. These are all snapbacks. Full restock on full sned slap stickers and a full restock on all three of these stickers right here as well. First link down in the description box below. Launch is now live. Thank you guys so much for the support. All right, I'm feeling a little bit too hyped about this launch, so I have decided that with every single order that is placed today, we're gonna be throwing in some sort of sticker, and these stickers are not gonna be available on the site. So it's gonna be like an Evo die cut, a throwback Evo die cut, a throwback FRS die cut. We have multiple different colors of the Vossen logo. So every single order that's placed today, guys, you're gonna get something free. I may even throw in like random air fresheners or jet tags or even shirts, sweaters. I'm just gonna be throwing in something with every single order just to say thank you and to give back to you guys for always continuing to support the channel. That's cute.
It's drowned out by yours. You're just like, oh no.
I heard you were late to work.
I don't want to talk about it. I was so late.
How late?
An hour. Almost an hour and a half. Oh? No, today. No.
All right, we made it back home. Let's briefly talk about what is gonna go down today. So these four pieces right here didn't need any primer. The bottom of the wing, another piece of the wing, hood scoop, front bumper, all that stuff is ready for color as of right now. Now all these pieces over here, this is the stuff we primered yesterday. Hood, rear bumper, fog covers, vents, top of the wing, skirts, spats. So everything that you guys see here, I am going to wet sand with 600 grit. Now I have decided that we are going to be spraying at two separate times, just so I don't number one, I don't overwhelm myself, and second of all, so I'm not constantly running into parts like I was yesterday when we were priming everything. So today I think I want to spray out the front bumper. Let's do the hood and maybe like the skirts and spats. Let's see. I kind of want to split it like half and half. So yeah, I don't know. Let's just, I guess I don't really know what we're going to spray today. I'll kind of like set everything out and kind of just like divide it in half. But I have officially decided that I am not going to be spraying everything by myself. I called my brother Austin. Shout out to Austin if you're watching this, bro. He's going to be helping me kind of like lay down the first maybe coat of color, and then maybe like the first or the second coat or the third coat of clear. I don't really know. All as I know is that we just spent 3 days getting everything prepared for this day, for paint, for color, for clear, and I don't want to mess it up. I don't want the metallics or the pearls in the color to run if we lay it on too thick. I don't know. I talked to him on the phone. He's like, dude, it's kind of complicated when you start getting into like pearls and metallics and all that crap, and especially laying clear. I've never once even laid clear in my life, so he's going to come over later today once we get everything prepped. He's going to show me the ropes of how to lay down this color and how to lay down some clear. Because I'm such a noob and the most important panel of everything here is the hood, I definitely want the hood to be sprayed with the help and assistance of Austin. So with that being said, let's pull out the hood. Let's get this thing prepped. Let's get it wet sanded. Wet sanding should go relatively easy. This is filler primer. It's meant to be sandable, like super easy. So let's get this thing banged out. All right, so everything that is out back drying, we are going to be spraying today. So the front bumper, the wing, the hood, and then a few little tiny pieces right there. All this stuff right here, we are going to save for probably tomorrow. Let's go ahead and give the shop floor a really good cleaning. I obviously don't want any dust up in the air, so we're going to keep the shop floor wet again, just like we were yesterday when we were priming. This is really stressful. I'm honestly kind of stressed out. Thankfully, Austin's going to be here to help. Kind of like, I don't know if he's going to be painting for me. I really don't want him to just continue painting everything for me that I ever need painted. So I kind of just want him to like guide me, you know, give me little tips and tricks along the way. And then tomorrow we should be able to just spray everything out ourselves without the help of Austin. That'd be ideal. Let's get the shop all cleaned up, get everything set up where we want it. We do have to mask off the front bumper. There's a little textured piece in the center that needs to be masked off. Get all that finished up and we should be ready to lay down some base. We have all of the parts and pieces laid out to spray. Austin's going through right now and cleaning everything. Yeah?
Indeed.
A little bit ghetto. We're using like an engine hoist to hang the wing, but that's all I got, so this will do the trick. All right, so everything's cleaned up, tacked down. I think we are ready to spray down the base coat. Ready to teach me the ways?
Yes, sir.
Let's friggin' rip it.
Let's go. So light on base, lighter is better, especially metallic.
Okay.
Put too much on, it'll run. Your base will or your metallic will run.
What are we gonna start on? The hood?
So what you can do, or what I usually do, is like the primary areas, hit them once.
Okay. Looks fun. So, let me see how much you're putting on.
Just to where it covers.
It's like,
I mean, it's not going to cover for sure.
yeah. I always thought you want to like make it super wet looking.
You have to keep moving. You have to move. Just make sure you hit your corners. Like this area here. I think they hit. A little heavier than that. Sorry, just hit the button. So, on stuff like this, you make sure you go blow it all the way up.
So we're a little bit over halfway done with these pieces here. We have 1 coat on everything, 2 coats on some of the pieces. I ran out of reducer, so my brother Austin ran to get more. The problem that I'm seeing is that we've already used over half of the color, so I don't think we're gonna have enough color for tomorrow. So I may have to run into the paint store, get maybe like another pint mixed up, and that hopefully should cover it. All right, we just got the third and final coat on all of these pieces. Everything looks super, super blotchy, but Austin said that it's pretty normal for that to happen when you're doing a base clear. As soon as we clear it, it'll look perfect, so to say. From here, I think we have to wait about an hour before we throw down the clear coat. All right, so all of the base coat is laid down. Everything looks good, but super blotchy. So it's been an hour, a little over an hour. I think you have to wait at least an hour, but you can't wait over 24 hours to spray down the clear. I think we're gonna aim for 3 coats of clear. We should have enough. Now for the base coat, I'm definitely gonna need to get more for tomorrow because I did add in the skirts and the spats. If I didn't add those in and all we had left was the rear bumper and head scoop, I think we would have enough, but there's no way I have enough color to cover everything. I'm trying to keep this floor nice and wet. Number 1, to keep dust down. Number 2, so we don't get a bunch of paint stuck to the floor. Gonna mix up some clear, get it sprayed down, and then obviously just let these parts sit in here overnight, and tomorrow we can move on to the rear bumper and the side skirts. So we are all finished up with the clear and the base on the front bumper, on the hood. What else did we do? The spoiler, the rear wing, the end caps for the roof vane, and all the other little pieces you guys saw earlier. We did run out of clear. We have maybe 10% of the color left. We completely ran out of clear, so I actually did have to use some of Austin's clear to finish up this project today. Bright and early tomorrow morning, we're gonna have to run in and grab probably another whole quart of base coat and another quart of clear just to do the rear bumper and the side skirts. And I do have a few other little pieces coming in probably within the next month that are gonna need paint or base and clear as well. We got the shop all cleaned back up, got the panels laying over here. Everything turned out absolutely amazing. I'm super stoked to see how this is gonna look when it's fully hardened, get it on the car and see how good that color matches. But there's the hood, We got the wing down there. There's the front bumper, and then a few little pieces over there. This definitely was a learning experience. I have got the question quite a few times, how did you learn like auto mechanics? How do you know how to build motors? All that good stuff. And what you guys are seeing right now with this whole painting project is exactly how I learned to pretty much do every other thing that I know how to do. Pretty much everything is trial and error. If I know someone that knows more about it than I do, for example, Austin is way better at painting than I am, then I'll have him kind of guide me, teach me the ropes, and then I'll pretty much take it from there. It is always scary at first. It's always nerve-wracking trying to learn something new, but at the end of the day, when you get a good result, if you do, it's the most satisfying thing in the world. I'm so freaking excited to get these panels back on the car, get the STi done, get it back home from PDR, do the paint correction, do the ceramic coat, and just bring this STi back to life. I'm super freaking pumped. Ooh, sleepy girl. Wakey wakey, we gotta go get a car.
Ooh, can you go take out the ice cream really quick for me?
All right, so here is the scoop, guys. I just got a message from the PDR shop. The STi is all finished up. We just got to the apartment as well, so Bobby and I are gonna go pick up the car and try and bring it back up to the shop. It's sketchy driving that thing with no bumpers and no hood, because I know it's illegal. No front plate, expired tabs. I want to get it back up to the shop tonight. What kind of ice cream you want? Ready?
Eat the last bite.
Not bad. Just a good old cold start for the boys. All right, guys, we got her. It's pretty damn good. It looks really good. For how many little dings and dents there were, it's a lot better. It's obviously not perfect. It is 06. When we get back to the shop, I'll kind of do a little walk around, show you all the little dents that are left in it. But honestly, like I said, I'm freaking happy with how it came out. Okay, so we made it back home safe and sound without getting pulled over by the popo. What do you think?
I'd say it looks pretty good.
Stand back, please. So here's a little side profile. This right here is the only thing that isn't 100% perfect. It's a lot better than what it was. So I think with a little bit of touch-up paint on that, we should be good. I don't think it's worth painting this whole pillar though. All the main ones were pulled out that I was worried about. There was a huge one right here on both sides. These front fenders were completely hammered. And what else? There's probably like 20 door dings he pulled out and 4 or 5 bigger dents. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. I'm hyped. I'm extremely hyped. Remember, the launch is now live if you're watching this video. So first link down in the description box below, a ton of new sweaters, t-shirts, stickers, air fresheners, jet tags down below. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.